Hello and welcome to this another very interesting tutorial on MySQL using CMD. In the previous tutorial, I taught you how to connect to MySQL database using CMD, how to open all the data, show all the databases that you have created in your computer. How to select a specific database, how to show all the tables in that database, how to select a single table in that database, and how to exit from your server. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how to delete data from a MySQL table using CMD. So let's get started. First of all, I would go to MySQL. So I'm using Laragon server. I would go to Bing, and then I would go to MySQL, and here I would open my terminal. I'll maximize it. Let me repeat those yesterday's tips quickly in this tutorial also. First of all, we will try to log into MySQL server. So for that, you will have to type this command: MySQL-u represents the username of your MySQL server. So my username is root, and I don't have any password, so I'll leave that blank, and I will press enter again. So I have connected to MySQL server. Now I would check the databases. So for that, I would have to type this command: show databases by semicolon. So I have these databases in my computer right now. Now, if I want to select a specific database, so I would say use, and suppose I want to use a cement database. So I'll type use cement semicolon and press enter. So it will tell me that database changed. It means that now we are using cement database. Suppose I want to check all the tables that are inside the cement database. So I'll type show tables. So all of the tables in this database are displayed as follows. Now suppose I want to check all the data inside a table. So I'll type select asterisk from and name of the table listing, and press enter. So these are all the this is all the data that is inside that listings table. Now in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to delete a row from a table. So for that purpose, I'll type a query that is delete from and the name of my table. Forgot a space here, and here I type the name of my table, that is listings. Delete from listings, where here we will type a condition. Suppose I want to delete a row with an ID. So right now I have these IDs 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want to delete data that is on ID 8. So I'll say ID equals 8, and I'll press type a semicolon and press enter. Now remember that here it is query OK won't affect it, but we cannot see that what happened right now because our ID 8 is still present there. So for that, I will have to check all the rows again. So select asterisk from listings, asterisk from listings, press enter. Now we can see that ID 8 is gone. That is deleted now. So that's it from this video. I hope to teach you a lot more in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Please do not forget to like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.